Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
It's been a fairly hot afternoon. I say fairly hot in the sense that it only gets hotter as the week goes on. In fact, today was the hottest day that we've had so far this year, and it's going to be actually a couple degrees cooler than where we are by Wednesday and Thursday. Kind of putting everything in perspective here to start out. This is the view right now on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. A few of us are lucky enough to get stuck under one of these thunderstorms. That quickly drops the temperatures. Doesn't do much for humidity, of course. Feels like a sauna out there. Let's get you a closer view of what's happening here, mainly east of I-65. Got this little band of thunderstorms trying to get going here from north of Scottsboro and northern Jackson County all the way down into really southeastern Madison County, northern Marshall County, extending into parts of Morgan County. All of that is trying to track off toward the south. It's very slow going. We'll keep an eye on those rainfall rates for you because where we have some heavier rain, because this is kind of slow moving, we could have that flash flooding concern. So kind of keep that in mind. But you are going to be driving in and out of thunderstorms here along 431, along 72, and along 231, especially right around the Joppa area. I'm seeing some lightning strikes there, and got a thunderstorm just south of Geraldine in DeKalb County. Decatur, this is your current view. I wanted to show you this earlier because we did have some storms developing off in the distance, but now we just got a lot of cloud cover and several wasps flying around the camera lens. We're at 82 degrees right now. And as we go throughout the rest of this evening, yes, those temperatures do start to drop, but we keep the humidity. It stays uncomfortably muggy all night long. Elsewhere across North Alabama, we're at 83 in Muscle Shoals, 79 in Fayetteville, still holding on to the upper 80s in Huntsville, 84 in Fort Payne, 81 in Gunnersville. Here's future radar. This particular data source is a little bit behind here when it comes to pushing these thunderstorms a little bit farther toward the southeast, and it's a little bit overdone when it comes to the coverage of the storms. With that being said, it does show all of this activity fading as we get into tonight. It's not to say that a stray shower is impossible, but for the most part, we start quieting down with the loss of our afternoon heating. And the clouds start breaking up. We'll have some patchy fog by early tomorrow morning. Temperatures starting in the mid-70s by 7 a.m. By the afternoon, we're close to 90. I do have your forecast highs in the lower 90s tomorrow. Case in point, here's 5:30. Spotty storms back with us yet again. They fade overnight into Wednesday. It is going to be similarly hot, in fact, a couple degrees hotter, but drier. And without any storm coverage during the afternoon, those temperatures will be allowed to really start climbing. By noon, we're already at 93 degrees in Huntsville. That's on Wednesday. So your feels like temperatures here, I wanted to show you what it's going to be feeling like mid-morning. 9:30, already feeling like we are close to 90 degrees in Huntsville as we go through the afternoon. 4:30, close to the triple-digit mark is what it'll feel like in Decatur. 98 in Athens and Huntsville, all the way into Wednesday afternoon, 2 o'clock, feeling like, again, we are close to the triple-digit mark. If we are going to be well into the triple digits with those heat index values, we may have a heat advisory issued, so I'll be passing that along to you if any part of North Alabama is included in a heat advisory Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday for that matter. There's not a lot of rain in the forecast initially here, but we do have some better storm chances once we get into the end of next week. And in total, over the next week, we could see as much as over an inch in Muscle Shoals and Gunnersville, just shy of an inch. They're about 3/4 of an inch in Huntsville over the next week. So your 7-day forecast, those Wednesdays and Thursdays, those are going to be the days where you need to water the garden, I do believe, because the heat like that really zaps the moisture out of your plants pretty quickly. 97 on Thursday, 95 on Wednesday. We are in the upper 80s by Sunday and Monday, but that's when the storm chances go back up.